What's up, guys? Mark here from VIP Shop Management. I want to talk about the Allchain sticker because a lot of customers, I don't want to say a lot of customers, some customers are not taking advantage. All the way up top under products, click on products, and there's two lines, it's two rows. It says Allchain sticker. The first one is the Allchain sticker printer itself, and the other one is the roll for the Allchain sticker. If we click on the first one, it's going to take you directly to Amazon, and it was $129. It keep going up, so take advantage, buy it before it gets more expensive. And this is the Allchain sticker. It's a Brother QL810, and so you need to buy this Allchain sticker, which is 146 right now. And the other one is go back to products and click on Allchain sticker roll. And this is the roll that can print 300 stickers. It's $19. It's really cool. We're going to demonstrate how this works. So the beauty of it, let's select a customer real quick. And we're going to select VIP right here. And so you have the way it works, basically, you have to add the mileage anyway. So let's say the mileage for this car is 24,365. All I have to do is click on the print right here. And you can add the mileage. Let's say this car takes 7 quarts and the oil filter, let's say, is 253. So you click on print, and let me see if I can show you the printer, if I can do that. So that's the printer right there. That's the first time it's printing, so it's going to take a second to warm her up. So that's the sticker right there. That's how it looks like. It's really professional. It's gonna put the date on the side and the next mileage on the other side, and your business name, your phone number. There's a barcode, which is the VIN number itself. It's easy to peel, and it doesn't fade away. So if I put it right here and I want to peel it, and check this out. That's it. It peels so quickly, so easy. So it's easy to peel, and it looks good. If you want it a little bit shorter, we have, let's go back to VIP right here. So if you notice, so let's go back. So if when I click print next time, so it's going to remind me of the Allchain capacity and the oil filter. So all you have to do is enter this information one time, and that's it. And you're going to see the oil capacity every time. So you only have to do this once. Up top right here, we have options where if you want it just a little bit shorter, just change on the second option and just click on print. And let's go back to VIP. I'm not going to show you how to print. I'm just going to bring the sticker. So this is the shorter version of it. Let me switch this because I think the light is weird. Yeah, so it's right there. So this is the shorter version of it. It looks good on the windshield. Again, it's easy to peel, and it's built into VIP Shop Management. That's the beauty of it, the fact that you can do it fast. Automation is everything in our business. The faster you can do stuff and looks professional, the better. Another option that we have with this sticker is, let's go back, and so if you look up top at the bottom, we have something called key tag. If I want to print a key tag for the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, I just click on tag. I can type in the tag if I want tag number or not, and I click on print. I haven't used it in a while. Let's go back to, let's see, that's the key tag. Let me go down. So if you look at the key tag, it's gonna put the tag up top. It's gonna say that the car, it's gonna say the first initial and the last name. It's gonna put the VIN number. So that's another really cool feature right there. So yeah, definitely take advantage of VIP shop management, Allchain sticker. Let me go back if I can go back. And like I said, we don't make any money off that, but this is a cool feature that you should be taking advantage. And keep in mind that it's gonna put under recommendation, right? If you notice, the next Allchain and the next mileage, the due date. So under products again, click on Allchain sticker, and right there, just like that. Anyway, I appreciate you guys. Until next time, thanks for watching.